2020 Ford Explorer is built for all seasons.
Yeah, with the train management system, makes it super easy to tackle any adventure simply with the turn of a dial.
Now we've got different drive modes that'll adapt to the different conditions that you're going to face depending on the season.
Right, so obviously we've got a normal drive mode, we've got trail drive mode, deep snow and sand mode.
That's really good when you're stuck and you want to get unstuck so you can spin your wheels.
Right. We got slippery mode, good for winter conditions, good for rainy, wet conditions. We've got sport mode.
Sport mode, right?
Yeah,
So,
hold those shifts longer, keep the RPMs up, give you a little extra performance.
Yep. So depending on your driving style and the terrain that you're on and the season, you're going to be able to quickly, using this drive mode button here, you're going to be able to turn it over and select the mode that's best for the conditions.
Right, tow haul mode, eco mode.
Eco mode is cool. It's going to guide you and help you to improve your fuel efficiency based on the way you drive.
Yeah, exactly. Gives you little tips, helps you just realize what you're doing and how that affects your fuel economy.
Right. So terrain management system, standard feature on all models of the 2020 Ford Explorer.
Yeah.
One of the advanced suite of technologies that Ford has made standard equipped are these driver assist technologies on the 2020 Ford Explorer, and they built it into a package we called Ford Copilot 360 Assist.
Right. Yeah, so this has been available on most of the Ford lineup now in different packages. On the Explorer, covers a wide variety of technologies that used to be on their own. Now they package them up.
Right, so keeping in mind these driver assist features are there to assist and not take over your driving.
Right, just to help you out.
Right, so let's start off with the blind spot information system, the mirrors, making those lane changes to improve your visibility, or even backing out of a parking lot with cross traffic alert is going to alert you with that signal in the side mirror.
Yeah, pre-collision assist with emergency automatic braking.
Right, those situations where somebody might step out or a vehicle is going to stop, you want to have that assurance that you're going to be able to stop too. So the vehicle's going to assist you with that. Auto high beam headlights.
Right.
So now you don't have to remember to dim your lights because it's going to automatically do that for you.
Yeah, senses the oncoming headlights and then turns them down for you.
Yeah.
Lane keep system.
Those are the times when you might feel a little bit fatigued and might be drifting off to sleep. You don't want to drive off the side of the road. As long as
your attention gets pulled somewhere else and you don't realize maybe you've crossed that line.
That's true too. Those distractions that were in the vehicle going on, that might distract you from staying in that lane. The vehicle's going to guide you back into the lane with the electronic assisted power steering is going to take care of that for you.
Right.
And then the last feature, part of the Copilot 360 Assist, is the rear view camera.
Right, bigger vehicle. It's always nice to be able to see exactly what's behind you when you're in reverse.
And I love it, the lines that guide you and show you the direction of travel and the distance to the object. It really does make it a lot easier to navigate a vehicle of this size.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now then, on top of 360 Copilot, we have Copilot Assist Plus.
Yes.
And this just takes it to another level. On the 202A package equipped Ford Explorer, you can add the available Copilot 360 Assist Plus, starting with intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go technology.
Right, set your gap. It's automatically going to make sure that you stay that safe distance away from the car in front of you, even when you're in cruise control.
Yeah. So that gap that you've talked about, there's 4 different settings there depending on your style of driving, how comfortable you are with how close you are. That person in front starts slowing down, your vehicle's automatically going to adopt that speed, right?
Right.
Followed by stop and go.
Yes.
So that vehicle in front could come to a complete stop.
Exactly. No more do you have to, in Edmonton, the Hyundai, perfect example. Cruising along at highway speeds.
Yeah.
Traffic comes to a stop, it's going to automatically recognize that and bring you to a complete stop as well.
Absolutely. Or maybe you've looked down for a brief moment. Can you imagine what could happen?
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So that emergency braking, the adaptive cruise with the stop and go is going to bring you to a full stop. Now, also in the Assist Plus is the voice-activated navigation system here on our screen.
Right. Super easy with the Sync 3 system to just tell it what you want, set your directions,
Find a destination.
All
All of those things.
Yeah, convenient locations, etc.
Yeah. Copilot 360 Assist Plus includes evasive steering, and that's new for the 2020 Explorer.
Right. It is going to actually help you avoid a situation in front of you when braking is not your only option.
Correct. Right. It's going to help steer around those objects.
Right. Still going to let you have control.
Yeah.
But it's going to assist.
That's right. And the last item in the Assist Plus package is lane centering. Now, this is different from lane keeping.
Right, so the lane keeping will just kind of bump you back into the lane. Lane centering is actually going to keep you in between the lines.
Right. As long as it's able to read those markers that are on the road, it's going to assist you with keeping that vehicle perfectly centered. That's the best place to be on the road for safety.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So that's what 300 horsepower and 310 pounds-foot of torque feels like.
Yeah, the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine is standard on the XLT.
Does a fantastic job of getting you up to acceleration fast, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift capability.
Yeah, exactly. It's going to give us 10.3 liters combined fuel economy average.
Right, and even capable of towing up to 5,600 pounds when equipped with the Class 3 towing package.
Yes.
So more than enough capability to do those things for all those adventures you're going to want to take yourself and your family on. Everyone's going to be comfortable with the seating up to 6 with the captain seats in the middle row with the available optional bench seat if you wanted to have 7 passengers.
Right, yeah. The captain seats are standard, which is nice.
Yeah, and they have this easy fold forward feature, so it's easy to get into the back seats.
Right, now we're in a model that's equipped with the ActiveX seats.
So easy to clean. It's like leather, but it's not. But
right.
Really nice and durable and easy to clean, as I said. And the tri-zone climate control.
Right, so you've got a temperature, I've got a temperature, and the rear's got a temperature as well.
Right, so they can control that from the back, or we can control that from the front for the rear seats as well. So, yeah, really nice, and with the heated seats as well.
Right, I'm going to turn mine on.
Then we also have, for your comfort, the power driver's seat.
Right.
And that's an 8-way passenger seat here with the lumbar, and that's part of a package we call Group 202A.
Right.
Okay. So you get that 8-way power passenger seat, you've got that 10-way, we've got the active seats, the ActiveX seating material. LED fog lamps are part of the 202A package.
Right.
And then they actually give you a remote start system on your key fob.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, that's separate from Ford Pass Connect.
Right.
So that's all in the 202A. By the way, this twin panel moonroof up here is also an optional feature with the 202A package.
Right. With the cold weather package, that's going to add on heated steering wheel, heated windshield wiper park.
That's right. That's fantastic. So those wipers aren't going to freeze up on you in the wintertime, and they're going to not carry all those clumps, give you a better wipe.
Yeah, exactly.
Improve visibility.
And then we're going to get heated seats up front here and heated seats on the outboard second row seats.
Fantastic. Everyone's going to be comfortable.
Perfect for winter.
Right? The rear defrost is standard equipment, and your heated side mirrors are also standard equipment, as is a block heater.
Right.
So you're all set for all seasons. Styling on the 2020 Explorer really sets it apart from everything else that's on the road, starting from the front with automatic LED low beam halogen headlights.
Right, we've got LED tail lamps. We've also got optional 20-inch premium wheels as well.
Right, where standard equipped is normally 18-inch wheels. The 20s really do set it off.
They're nice.
Pretty nice, absolutely. So altogether, you're going to find that the 2020 Explorer XLT has a lot to offer. The instrument panel, there is an available LCD cluster 12.3-inch display.
Right.
This one does give you the animated graphics for the different drive modes with the analog gauges. Looks
Right.
pretty good, and it's easy to read.
Yes. So of course we've got standard Ford Pass Connect as well.
Grab the free app from the App Store for your Android or for your iOS.
Included for the lifetime of the service.
That's right. So now you're going to be able to use that app that's going to connect to your vehicle through cellular data service.
Right.
And do a variety of functions like unlock and lock and remote start your vehicle.
You can see some vital information about your vehicle, fuel level, tire pressure, any recall notices.
And scheduling service with Sherwood Ford.
Right.
Right. Find parking, fine fuel prices, as you mentioned.
Yeah.
And it's all free, available through the Ford Pass Connect feature that comes standard equipped on the 2020 Ford Explorer for the life of the network. Standard feature on XLT models is the power liftgate.
Yeah, super handy. Click of a button, liftgate lifts up.
That's right. You can do it from your remote. You can do it from a button on the dash. You can even do it from the liftgate itself to close it.
Right.
Right? So that comes in very handy, especially when your hands are full of stuff.
Yeah.
Let's jump in the back and show everyone how easy it is to use the rear seats.
Perfect.
First thing I noticed was the nice armrest.
Yeah, there's a lot of space with these bucket seats in the second row here.
There are. So we've got this open center area here, which would make it pretty easy to get to the back. A couple of cup holders. And again, with the tri-zone climate control, we have our own separate controls for...
Yes. Climate, we've got the heated seats back here, USB ports, cup holders galore.
Right. Like the handle for getting in and out of the vehicle.
And with the moonroof, tons of light back here.
These seats move forward
Yes.
and backwards, so depending on where you would like to be comfortable. So when the time comes, if you need the extra room for the cargo,
Right.
you can lay these seats down flat and
Right.
extend the cargo room. Let's show you how that works. So there's a little button on the top over here. We're just going to release that, drop that down. See how that seat folded forward to get into the back row. Okay, now let's pull it back. Now on the cushion of the seat on the side, there's a lever which we're going to pull, and that is going to drop that seat down so we're flat to the back.
Lots of space for any of your cargo.
Absolutely there is. Perfect. Plenty of features, plenty of options, lots of technology, lots of comfort.
Perfect for adventure, perfect for the family.
Any kind of outing, the daily driver. We'd invite you to come down to the dealership in Sherwood Park at 2540 Broadmoor Boulevard.
Come learn what all there is to know about the 2020 Explorer.
There's so much more, and experience it for yourself and take one for a test drive with one of our product specialists. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.